Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig with her family in the rain. We start drawing firstly George, his eyes, nose, the shape of his head, smiling mouth and a circle for cheek. Then I draw the body, the arm in which is Mr. Dinosaur. Curly tail. Next to him I draw Peppa Pig, her eyes, the nose, and the shape of her head. I make a straight line for her mouth. She looks upset. I draw the body, her hand, and that she's holding a teddy bear. Finally, I draw her legs. Now I draw Mummy Pig, her eyes, the nose, and the shape of her head. I draw her smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek, her 2 ears, her arm and leg, her backpack on her back. Finally, the tail, and the other arm with which she will soon hold an umbrella. But first I make Daddy Pig, his eyes, and the glasses, the nose, shape of his head. I draw the mouth sad and a circle for the cheek. He has beard, so I make some lines like this. His body, arm, his legs, finally draw a backpack for him. And the tail. Now I draw the umbrella the Mommy Pig will hold. Oh, they went for a walk, but the weather was bad. Let's grow the grass here. And raindrops all over. Now, coloring time. Pink for skin. Orange. Red, purple, orange. Green. Pink for skin. Purple, light blue. Purple, pink, purple, blue, light green, pink for skin, purple, brown, red, yellow, light green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, brown, light green for grass, light blue for raindrops. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.